In this video, we will show you how easy it is to install a KBRS ShowerSlope and HardCurb with GoBoard tile backer board. Once the ShowerSlope and HardCurb and backer board are installed, we will show you how to easily apply KBRS's ShowerSeal waterproofing system and create a seamless waterproof substrate that is ready to be surfaced with any decorative tile that you can imagine. A measuring tape, caulking gun, level, skill saw, and handsaw or miter saw. A paint roller with a 3/4-inch nap and a 4-inch paintbrush. Proper drain installation is crucial for a successful leak-free installation. The drain body should be level and the top of the drain flange should be approximately 3/8 of an inch above the subfloor. Remove the clamping ring and set aside. Each KBRS ShowerSlope is manufactured oversized to allow for a custom fit to your application, and though not required, it is extremely helpful to mark lines on the subfloor indicating the areas where the slope and curbs will be installed. Doing so will provide a visual of the final assembly layout and help you obtain accurate measurements. We will be using this method for this installation. The curb will be installed between the two outer lines. The inside area will be for the slope. You can now cut the ShowerSlope to fit the installation area. Secure the ShowerSlope so that it can be safely cut to size using a skill saw. Always use appropriate safety equipment when operating power tools. Dry fit the ShowerSlope to ensure a proper fit. If a proper fit is achieved, mix the polymer modified thin set per manufacturer's instruction. Using a trowel, apply thin set to the area of the subfloor on which the ShowerSlope is to be installed. Liberally apply a continuous bead of ShowerSeal polyurethane sealant or equivalent to the top outer edge of the exposed drain base. Set the ShowerSlope in place centered over the drain. Ensure that the slope is firmly set into the thin set by carefully walking on the ShowerSlope, evenly distributing your weight. Using a level, check both directions to ensure that the unit is level. Now you can install the drain's clamping ring and firmly tighten the drain's 4 collar bolts. Installing the KBRS HardCurb is a simple process. The KBRS HardCurb has a self-sealing polymer anchoring cap that seals around screws used to anchor shower enclosure hardware. When installing the HardCurb, be sure that the anchoring cap remains face up. It is important to note that upon the completion of your tile shower, that holes are not pre-drilled into the anchoring cap. This will eliminate the watertight seal around the screw. You can either measure your distance from wall to wall or mark the curb by placing it in its final position. These options will depend on your specific curb layout. Cut the HardCurb using either a handsaw or miter saw. Spread modified thin set using a trowel in the area you will be installing the KBRS HardCurb. Next, apply a generous bead of ShowerSeal polyurethane sealant to the vertical edge of the ShowerSlope to which the curb will butt up to. When joining curbs, you must apply sealant to one of the ends where the curbs will butt up to one another. Place the curb on top of the thin set and firmly press the curb against the edge of the ShowerSlope, allowing sealant to squeeze out. Firmly push down on the curb, embedding it into the thin set. Using a level, be sure that the curb is level along its length, yet be sure the top of the curb is sloped towards the shower area. Using your finger or a putty knife, tool additional sealant into any joints where the curbs join. Remove any excess thin set from the HardCurb or subfloor. Measure the first piece of GoBoard to fit at the bottom of the wall. Score one side with a utility knife and quickly snap to desired size. Liberally apply a continuous bead of ShowerSeal sealant to the bottom edge of GoBoard so that when it is installed at the base, the sealant squeezes out. Fasten GoBoard to the studs with backer board screws or roofing nails, flush with the surface to the board with a maximum spacing of 6 inches and within 1/2 to 1 inch of the edge. Spread excess sealant to ensure a tight seal at the base joint. Again, liberally apply a continuous bead of sealant to any edge where you will join the backer board. Fasten GoBoard to the studs as above and spread the excess sealant with a putty knife or other flat surface to at least 1 inch beyond either side of the joint. Once all boards have been installed in this manner, be sure that you have sealed all fastener locations and joints between boards and at all corners and other changes of plane with sealant. Make sure each fastener location is completely covered with at least a 2.5-inch diameter patch centered over the fastener. All joints should be filled with sealant and sealant spread 1 inch beyond either side of joint. Now, let's waterproof the KBRS ShowerSlope. Note that the process described here is the waterproofing practice that KBRS recommends when using Go board as backer board. Traditional cement board will need to be treated in a different method following your waterproofing manufacturer's instructions. You will want to cover all changes in plane at the shower floor with shower seal gauging fabric or equivalent to both inside and outside corners, joints, and/or seams. To do this, you will begin by measuring your corners and cutting your fabric to length. For the inside corners at the base of the slope, you will need to cut pieces a minimum of 8 inches long. You will then need to embed the fabric by first coating the surface with the KBRS Shower Seal waterproofing using a 4-inch paintbrush. To attach the Shower Seal gauging fabric, press it into the wet Shower Seal liquid waterproofing. When installing gauging fabric into corners, fold fabric at 45-degree angles to ensure a seamless fit. Once the gauging fabric has been embedded into the wet shower seal, you will need to brush on a second coat, ensuring that you have complete coverage and that no white fabric is visible. Seams should be lapped a minimum of 2 inches, and coverage should extend upwards of 6 inches above the shower slope. Once all your changes of plane have been treated with the gauging fabric, it's time to cover the shower slope. You can do this with either the same brush or a 3/4-inch roller recommended. Once the waterproofing has completely dried, you will be ready to apply your decorative finish. Thank you for taking the time to watch KBRS's ShowerSlope installation video.